It is Saturday. I took work off on Monday, so I have 3 days, and Amy, my cousin, is working in Colorado this summer. So I was like, can I ride with you out to Colorado? She was like, yeah.
Don't get stuck believing travel is something you can't have. You probably know someone who lives somewhere cool or is moving across the country. Go visit them or hitch a ride. Just make it happen.
We're still in Iowa.
Nebraska.
The good life.
That's huge.
Oh my god. This is the traditional song we play when entering Colorado.
Colorado, it sure is good to see your face again. I've been up and down this highway just looking for a friend. Oh, Colorado, no matter how
home for the night.
long I'm gone, you look the same.
Amy's Nemo tent. I will now put up a tent and film it with one hand. Well, maybe I'm gonna put this here. See? This is how you put.
Just down the hill from this campsite lie the historic towns of Black Hawk and Central City. After being home to thousands of gold prospectors in the late 1800s, the towns now claim but negligible populations. While Black Hawk was historically the underdog, gambling was legalized here in the early 90s, and Black Hawk quickly became the reigning casino champion as it was closer to the freeway. That was until 2004 when Central City built a brand new 4-lane expressway called the Central City Parkway that funnels drivers directly to its namesake. Ironically, Black Hawk still generates far more gambling revenue.
We lost a bunch of money in Central City. I lost $2. So that was pretty devastating. Good morning. So we're gonna hike to the Vista in this little campground.
I wanna get mile high, touch the sky, get lost in mountain time.
I really like that mountain. The Indian Peaks Wilderness. We're here, and we're going there.
But it's like sketchy. It's like knife edge. It's
Oh.
windy. We're like blowing off the mountain.
Amy's telling the story about how she tried to climb that. It didn't really work. This is Amy's shack village. That's your shack? An exciting moment. Oh. Alright, so we drove across the country, and now Amy lives here. This is her home. She has started her new life in Colorado. Cheers. We got coffee. Wow! We're taking a hike. And we saw moose.
Oh my god.
Wow. That's a moose. So we're trying to get this moose to like get out of our way so it doesn't, kill us. There it goes. Thanks.
This is a suitable location.
Stopping point.
I'm pleased.
We came from the end of this lake. Not the best news. A rock got stuck in the wheel. Yes! We did it! Woo! Next stop, Denver. So I'm about to get on an Amtrak train. They got a pretty nice waiting room. Look at this.
There's like a weird couch.
There's a couch. It's pretty low key. Hi, Amy.
Rawlins Pass was once the highest mainline railroad ever constructed in North America, precariously winding up over the Continental Divide and reaching an elevation of over 11,000 feet, at which point existed the station of Corona, complete with a restaurant and hotel. In the winter, trains were often stranded here for days on end. The high costs and delays of this route eventually led to the construction of the Moffat Tunnel in 1928, the cost of which was 5 years and 28 lives.
It's kind of bouncy. Okay, so I made it to Denver on the California Zephyr, and now I gotta find my hostel. Vision board for this tower would be like squares. Look at that, it's the Capitol. Made it. This is my digs. I got really sunburned, like it's bad, but I got a bike. Don't try this at home, I'm a professional. The confluence of Cherry Creek and the mighty South Platte River. It's 2:55, and it's time to go to the airport.
Despite the sad fact that taking this trip meant Luke would be gone for Mother's Day, I let him go. In return, I got to do the narration for this video. Not a bad arrangement, but next time, I'm going along to Colorado. 'Cause I want to get
Mile high, touch the sky, get lost